Yeah, we have a blizzard. It's a lot of snow. I mean, yeah, like 4 feet. It's pretty bad. At least shoveled driveway and stuff, so it's all good there. But that was a tree, and that's somebody's car over there. It's only about, a little over, a little less than a foot right here on the driveway because I shoveled it. But as you can see, it's pretty bad out here. It's pretty awesome though. You know? I've been off school for a week. Here it goes, like a foot and a half out here. There's my mailbox, and the snow next to it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like, for my shovel, and it's at least 6 feet tall. There's someone else's mailbox. There's somebody's car is right there. And this is what the roads look like. It's pretty bad. Somebody's car right there. If you can see it, which I doubt you can, because I can't. Yeah, it's pretty bad. There's my house. And right in front of my freaking window, still that snow. Can't see out my window. Yeah, it's a lot of snow, especially from Maryland. It hasn't been a big snow for like 6 or 7 years or something. And usually it happens about every 7 or 8 years or something like that. But it's a lot of snow. 4 feet. Well, see, first we got hit with 3 feet of snow, and now we're getting hit with an extra foot of snow. So, and all this is since we scooped off from like the 3 feet or whatever. But it's falling pretty fast. Like I just shoveled that 5 minutes ago. It's covered. That's ridiculous. Look, a friggin' truck bed is full of snow. That's the top of the truck bed, and that's cool. That's the bottom of the truck bed. I have a trail. It goes down the side. And now it's not. It's gone, man. It's gone. So wait, just want to feel of it. It's been at least a foot and a half. Cause this goes all the way down to the ground. So, ow, that hurts. Holly tree skirting up against your face. That's pretty awesome. And that's crazy.